Hey, welcome back. Van here. Today we're at Dairy Queen, the big DQ, and we are eating the honey hot glazed. Let's get it over here and see if we can show you. It's not gonna let me. There it is. Anyways, that's what we're gonna dig into today. So Dairy Queen says on their website that this is 100% chicken tenders tossed in Frank's hot sauce. The Frank's hot sauce is probably one of the best hot sauces on the market because it doesn't have that sour vinegar taste to it. My preference is Marie Sharp's from Belize, but Frank's RedHot sauce is amazing. And also, sweetness, it says, comes from honey. And it comes with this ranch dipping sauce. I got water to drink, so this meal set me back $4.99. Let's take a look. All right, we got some glazed chicken tenders, French fries, Texas toast, and it comes with a hearty appetite because I am hungry. Look at this, boy. Oh my goodness. All right, let's open up our hot sauce. Our ranch sauce. Where am I getting hot sauce from? All right, we're gonna go to dip and look at this. It's sticky. Okay, it's hot. So what I got on that first bite was great taste from Frank's RedHot sauce. And I also got a lot of sweetness from that honey. Chicken tenders are fresh and hot. Look at that. It doesn't have a whole lot of bread on it, which is a good thing. I don't like to go somewhere and get chicken. I'm gonna have more bread than meat. And this turned out really good. It does have a lot of kick from that hot sauce. A lot of kick. Get some of the Texas toast. That's good. Oh yeah. Really good. So if you're new to my channel is all about saving you time and money with my how-tos and reviews. So if you happen to get out and go to Dairy Queen, pick up this meal, let them know you saw this on Van's World on YouTube. That's good on the fries. Wow, this whole meal is amazing. This is super good, y'all. Wow. Fully cooked. I don't really know what to say about it other than it's hot, it's fresh. You get Texas toast, you get French fries, you get chicken, you get ranch, all for $4.99 when you get a water to drink. And I mean, it's just amazing with the Frank's RedHot sauce on there. It just Frank's RedHot sauce is just the bomb. It don't matter if you get it in hot sauce or buffalo wing sauce. Frank's RedHot sauce is awesome. It's an American tradition. It's like Texas Pete. I mean, it's right up there. Frank's RedHot sauce. You can't beat it. But it's got the Frank's RedHot sauce. It's got honey. I'm telling you what, it's honey goodness here now. This is like really sweet, really warm with the spice. I love it. A lot of people love sweet heat. I do. I love a sweet heat. And you got it on this one, sweet heat. A little ranch sauce to tone it down some. Hey, hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a big thumbs up. Like, share. If you're new to my channel, hit that subscribe button and notification bell so you'll know when my next video comes out. I'm gonna tell y'all thanks for watching. Thanks for stopping by. Y'all have a good one now. You come back.